In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business page on Facebook. Whether you're a small business owner or someone looking to expand your brand's online presence, having a Facebook business page is an invaluable tool. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Facebook's homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but the one we're looking for is labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be taken to a new section dedicated to all things related to pages. This is where you can manage pages you already have, or in our case, create a new one. Look for the Create Page button, which should be prominently displayed. Give that a click, and you'll be on your way to setting up your business page. At this point, you're going to be prompted to enter some vital information about your business. This includes the name of your business, the category that best describes what your business does, and a brief description. It's essential to be clear and concise here, as this information helps people understand what your business is all about. Take your time to fill out these fields accurately. Once you've entered your business information, you'll have the option to add additional details like your business's contact information, location, and operating hours. This is crucial for helping potential customers reach you and understand when you're available. Don't forget to upload a profile picture and cover photo that represent your brand well. A good tip is to use your company logo for the profile picture and an image that captures the essence of your business for the cover photo. After you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's correct. When you're satisfied, hit the Create Page button. Congratulations, you've just created your Facebook business page. Your page is now live, but there's still more to do. Consider inviting your friends to like your page, posting engaging content regularly, and interacting with your audience to build a community around your brand. The key to a successful Facebook business page is consistency and engagement. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Facebook business page. Don't forget to explore the various features and insights Facebook offers to help grow your business. Thanks for watching, and happy page creating.